Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tech products for every interest. If you're into drones, today's video is just for you. We're taking a deep dive into one of the best options for both kids and adults alike, the Ameta RC drone. This drone is not only packed with features that make flying fun and easy, but it also offers an amazing 1080p HD camera that gives you real-time FPV footage. So, let's get into it and see why this might just be the perfect drone for your next adventure. First off, let's talk about the camera. The Ameta RC drone comes with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that's adjustable by 80 degrees, meaning you can capture all sorts of angles while flying. Whether you're at a family gathering or out on a camping trip, the FPV function allows you to see exactly what the drone sees right from your phone. You can easily take photos or videos and share them on social media with the touch of a button. But the Ameta drone isn't just about the camera. It's built to impress with its 32 RGB LED lights, which provide a dazzling flying experience, day or night. You can choose from 6 different lighting effects, all controlled through the remote. Imagine flying this drone at night. Those lights really make it stand out. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, you're sure to enjoy the fun lighting features that give this drone an edge in both style and functionality. Now, let's get practical. One of the best features for beginners is the Find Your Drone function. We all know how frustrating it can be when a drone goes out of sight, but with the buzzer feature, if you lose it, the drone will help you find it. This makes it ideal for anyone just starting out or for parents who want to make sure their kids stay safe while flying. For those of you who are looking for something fun but also educational, the Ameta drone doubles as a STEM toy. Through the Ameta app, kids can learn how to program different flying patterns by dragging virtual building blocks to set the drone's course. It's an exciting way to introduce basic principles of flight and programming, all while having fun in the process. As for flight performance, this drone is equipped with features that make it easy for beginners to get the hang of flying. The one-click takeoff and landing options ensure you don't have to worry about complex controls, while the altitude hold function keeps the drone stable, even if you're not touching the controller. Whether you're new to drones or an experienced pilot, this feature helps make the experience smooth and enjoyable. Battery life is another key aspect that sets this drone apart. The Ameta RC drone comes with 2 upgraded batteries, giving you up to 18 minutes of flight time. That's plenty of time to explore, take photos, and show off some impressive tricks. Plus, the batteries are easy to replace and charge, and come with overcharge protection to keep your drone running smoothly. And don't worry about safety. The drone features propeller protection with sturdy guards that keep your hands safe from the spinning blades. The design is made from durable ABS material, so it can withstand a few bumps or drops without taking damage. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the Ameta drone is designed to take a hit and keep on flying. So, if you're in the market for an easy-to-fly drone with a solid camera and tons of fun features, the Ameta RC drone is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who wants a fun flying experience with some cool tech features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews here at Product Critique.